Hi. That's my brother over in the background. So today I want to show you this gun. This gun is my favourite gun. And I love all the detail on it. And it shoots really well. I'll show you an example right now. Watch over there, people. Oh no, it didn't go. Sorry. Do you know this gun shoots out 4 bullets at a time? Because it does. I would go and buy this at Toys R Us right now if I was you. Because if you don't have it, it's really good. And it's really good handling, so you can go like that, like nerf battle, you go like this. You kill them like, and at the back, you can attach like stuff. Like you can attach the you know like on AK-47s there's like a thing, and it goes back like that, and you can go like that.
Oh yeah,
Go like that. You can attach them on. Just you need other guns. So yeah, that's basically it.